you are not losing your hair, okay? Now, you're probably saying, Salon Guy, like, this is what I look like. I've lost all my hair. Okay, I get that. Or if your hair is noticeably thinning, noticeably have male pattern baldness, you're losing your hair or you've lost your hair, okay? But you are not losing your hair if you have seen no change in your hairline over the last, say, 15 years, 20 years, nothing has changed. Just because you have a hairline that's pushed back a little higher in the corners or a higher forehead, or you happen to have an area, on the scalp that may be a bit on the, finer side, for example, and I get people send me pictures all the time. Say, for example, you see this. Oh my gosh, Salon Guy, my hair, I'm losing my hair, am I going bald? No. You are only losing your hair or going bald, but I like to say losing your hair if you start to see a noticeable difference over time, or in a very, very, very short period of time, something crazy is happening, like hair is just coming out in clumps. That could be a medical issue, that could be some sort of allergic reaction, that could be something a lot more serious that you need to go get checked out by a doctor. But if you have been seeing your scalp, like when you part your hair like this, right? And if you've been seeing your scalp for the last 10 years, you happen to be 20 years old, and since the age of like 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, whatever it is, your hair, you've been seeing your scalp all that time, that's how your hair is, okay? The only time I would say that you are losing your hair or that you are going bald is if you start to see a noticeable, significant difference in density. You are seeing more and more of your scalp in a progressive timeline. 3 months ago, you had more hair. 5 months ago, a year ago, you couldn't see your scalp. And all of a sudden, you're starting to see the scalp. I mean, it's kind of obvious, all right? It's kind of obvious, but if you happen to have, the corners of your hair that are going back, it's been like that, and all of a sudden you just want my random opinion, chances are you're not losing your hair. And also, you can ask the person who you're paying to cut your hair. Like, I get so many questions from people all the time. Salon Guy, help me, Salon Guy. I'm like, you're paying someone to give you their expertise. Ask them. They're literally on top of your head like this. Ask them, have you seen, this is what you have to ask them, have you seen a difference? And hopefully they can remember. It may not be as easy for them because they see so many people, but just say, do you see a difference in density? And then you point out the parts that really concern you. Do you see that I'm losing my hair up here? Does it look like my hair is thinning back here? Just ask them. People have asked me all the time when it comes to this type of situation, and I'm just honest with them. I'm like, yeah, it is a little bit thinner, but, and then if it gets progressive, you're gonna notice. Look in the mirror, right? Get a second handheld mirror here and just look in the mirror and you can tell, right? You could see it. Just check and see. So for everyone who's freaking out, no, you're not losing your hair if you haven't seen any sort of difference. If you have, then chances are now, does that mean all your hair is gonna fall out tomorrow? No. I mean, it could take years. I mean, it just depends on you, okay? I do have my shampoo, my Pure shampoo and conditioner, which helps block DHT, right? It contains peppermint, which is a natural DHT blocker, so it's gonna help promote thicker hair growth and try to fight that hair loss. So I always suggest using my Pure shampoo. I've seen results on people. They've told me, they say, since I've been using it, my hair's gotten thicker. I've noticed some more volume. I suggest trying out my Pure set. It's really awesome. And then if you have a dry scalp or any sort of scalp issues where a lot of dandruff or flaking or my hemp set is really great for that, okay? So that's where the hemp set comes in. It's a very healing type of shampoo and conditioner. So please let me know if you found this video helpful. I'd love to know. Use code YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com for 20% off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.